Hi guys, this has been an All the Angry Birds in the movie. Food and drink are not allowed. So, please be good and okay. Wait, what's that music? I don't know. This is normal. Hey, don't forget about me. Hey, don't forget about me. So these are all the birds that are in the movie. Scooch. This is my fire. So, all the birds in history are gonna scoot back. Scooch all back. And so, red bird. All the birds here. Where's the bird? Where's the blue bird? Oh well, I guess we just had it to go take a poop. So, what are we gonna do? So, we need to whoop. Oh. Whoop. Let's just go over. Meanwhile, So, all birds, let's spread out. Okay. Alright. So, get it. Hey guys! Wear coats! Wear coats! Wear coats! Get out of here! Okay, so all of the birds are hushing because time is running out in this game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. So, what are we going to do now? I think we should jump. 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay. So, next, build the Eiffel Tower. Okay, build a pyramid.